Cheez It, a classic snack geared towards children and adults alike. But how bad for you are they really? We've done a deep dive on various flavors of the classic Cheez It brand such as Original, Extra Cheesy, 4 Cheese, Smoked Gouda, Grooves Bold Cheddar, Grooves White Cheddar and Grooves Zesty Cheddar. 1. Cheez It Original. The entire Cheez It product line is characterized by elevated levels of sodium, saturated fats, and caloric content. While, in moderation, such a cheesy, salty snack may not pose significant health risks, our research has identified several potentially harmful additives that warrant caution. Notably, the original Cheez It contains tertiary butyl hydroquinone, TBHQ, an antioxidant employed to delay oxidation. While effective in preservation, TBHQ has been suspected of carcinogenic potential at high dosages and may adversely affect immune function, thereby increasing susceptibility to infections and viral illnesses. Furthermore, there is a concern that excessive consumption, particularly among children, could lead to exceeding safe intake thresholds, raising additional health concerns. Additionally, it also contains annatto, a yellow-orange food coloring derived from the seeds of the achiote tree. While generally regarded as safe, there is a potential for adverse effects in the form of allergic reactions. 2. Cheez It Extra Cheesy. In addition to TBHQ and annatto, Extra Cheesy contains monosodium glutamate, MSG, a potent flavor enhancer associated with increased health risks when consumed in excessive amounts. High intake of MSG has been linked to conditions such as cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, glucose intolerance, and obesity. Furthermore, in individuals with heightened sensitivity, MSG may trigger adverse reactions including nausea, vomiting, and migraines. The product also includes disodium guanylate, a moderate-risk additive used to intensify flavor. Once metabolized, it is broken down into uric acid, and elevated levels of uric acid in the bloodstream can contribute to the development of gout, particularly in individuals with a genetic predisposition. 3. Cheez It Grooves Bold Cheddar. Similar to Extra Cheesy, Bold Cheddar contains TBHQ, monosodium glutamate, MSG, and annatto, but also includes 2 additional high-risk additives. The first is monocalcium phosphate, a texturizing agent that supplies phosphorus, a mineral already consumed in excess in many diets. Elevated phosphorus intake has been associated with disrupted bone mineralization, impaired kidney function, and a heightened risk of cardiovascular disease. Moreover, this additive may exist in nanoparticle form, raising concerns about potential accumulation in vital organs. The second additive is disodium diphosphate, another texturizing agent that shares the same health risks as monocalcium phosphate. In addition, it has been implicated in increasing the risk of breast cancer development. This product also includes a limited-risk additive, another texturizing agent known as sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate is suspected to increase susceptibility to breast cancer, however more studies are required to confirm the link between the two. These high-risk and limited-risk additives are present in the majority of the Cheez It Grooves product line. Overall, we give the Cheez It brand a 5/10 rating, Cheez It Original being the lowest risk in terms of high-risk additives added and the Cheez It Grooves being the highest risk.